to household.
Ka Unesco ka Pyrshang man Pynkhlain ya ka Rukom bu Thiar Kyrpang ya ki sur Kyrpang bat on Kyntiew ya ki community radio stations ya ka ne la bu hakmat man Kyntiew ki Kyntiew rai ha ka leng ka perthai bat bala ithu ru ya ka kamram ka bakong san jong ki radio station ha ka bat Kyntiew ya ki jat Kyntien bat ka jingyar ki culture ha ba kran ha ka capacity building workshop ka ba arsngi na ka benta ka Akashwani bat ki community radio stations minne ka sngi Unong ay buat ka UNESCO na kabenta katnat communication but information ka pangshate ka doba Asia o Hezekiel Lami ulaong baka CRS kanlong ka jingede ka bapinya jan ha ka ban pinya pensa bat ban Kyntiew ki Kyntien tenrai hashwa ka ni o officer rang ba ka Akashwani zonal office Guwahati o Asim Kazi ulaong bahaki ni ki hinyo pusan snem balalet ka Akashwani ka thanshate lamingi kala pinya pensa kala ay jingyada kala pentmai biang ki Kyntien tenrai bat ki culture Lor ka Kyntiew ki Kyntien shnong bar ka tho katar.
It's in the forefront. It's in the forefront because of its proximity. It's in the forefront because it's a radio for the people and by the people. It's a radio that gives access to the remotest part of the land and to the most disadvantaged member of our community. And therefore, community radio is a strategic partner in preserving and promoting indigenous languages.
From the beginning of Akashwani in Northeast, it's a history of 75 years. Akashwani in Northeast doing all the things, preserving, promoting, safeguarding and revitalizing not only Indian languages, not only indigenous languages, indigenous culture, everything which promoting cultural heritage, it's promoting dialects, it's promoting literature.